What is up, my besties? Butter is here. Today is March 1st, and today is the day that I am going to start working out. I've been doing little changes in my diet, not a lot of changes, but little changes. I've been saying in my mind, like, my mind wanted to start working out, but my body was like, no. So here I'm at home in my basement. I'm going to show you the workout equipment that we do have. It's not really organized over there, but it all works. But what I've been doing so far, I've been drinking smoothies. My wife, I bought the what is it called? I think it's the Ninja. I'll have to show you guys later. So we've been drinking smoothies now for a few weeks, but not really eating right. But started off with smoothies, and I've been stopped drinking soda. It's been almost 4 months. Um, then I kind of started drinking juice, and now I'm like trying to shy away from the juice. And then another thing I realized, I don't drink much. I don't know what it is. I can eat a whole meal and not drink anything. Um, and it's crazy because it's like I work with the elderly and you're always trying to push them fluids because they don't drink much. And I'm saying to myself, I need to drink more because I don't know. I don't know why I forget to drink. But anyway, so I do have my smoothie this morning, and I do have my water. I am going to work out. And as far as in eating better, I am a work in progress on that. Um, like if I get junk food, like buy out something fried food or fast food, um, I usually eat it, but I don't eat everything. Like for instance, the other day I had Wendy's chicken sandwich and fries. I don't get soda, so I'll get like a fruit punch or something because it comes with the meal. I'll drink like half of the fruit punch or some of the fruit punch, and I'll eat the chicken sandwich, but not all of my fries. I'll eat half of my fries or, something like that. Um, like the other day, I ended up going to Popeyes because I was out doing a loan signing, and I ate half of my nuggets, ate all my fries, and only a couple of sips of the sweet tea. I didn't eat all that or drink all that or both. So, and then at night at work, I'll have like some fruit. And what else did I have the other day? I had fruit. Tish had packed me a muffin. I only ate half the muffin, and I had some hot tea. I didn't finish all the hot tea. So it's like everything I'm eating is not to say extremely healthy, but I don't eat it all. So it's kind of like more of a small portions thing that I'm really good with small portions. Um, so that's kind of what I'm leaning towards, small portions and not giving up everything that I love because I will fail. So I say all that to say, let me show you our workout station. As you can see, we have all our paintings over there on the side. But anyway, this is our elliptical here. And then we have the treadmill right here. We have the medicine ball, the other thing that you can do sit-ups. We have mats down on the floor here. These are ropes, mats over there, and a couple of weights right here. So yeah. So I am going to be doing a little workout today, nothing strenuous. I'll probably just walk on the treadmill just to get my mind going. Okay, treadmill. Let's make this kind of a routine. You know what I mean? So that's kind of where I'm going today. Not a lot, but it's just getting started. So yeah. So I just wanted to give you guys a little snippet on my journey. I'll be coming in doing loans, showing you my loan signing journey. Tish and I, just relationship and vlogging, things. Um, so, and like if I end up doing, say, what else? it is point pickup. Whatever I decide I want to do on the vlog, I'll definitely put it in the description box, because I'm definitely not going to be just a one set channel. And if you want to check me out, you can check me out. And yeah, lately, I'm going to show you some paintings. Lately, Tish and I have been doing a lot of sipping paints, because to me, lately I realized going that it's really relaxing to me, and I really like it. So I'm gonna show you a little bit. So Tish did that a while ago. Um, this one I got because this was my birthday. I got that one for my birthday, and then Tish and I did this. Um, there's two of them. I'm not sure where the other one is right now, but the other day for Tish's birthday, you see the lady here with the afro right here. This one and this one we did on February 18th. Let me know in the descriptions which one do you think is mine and which one do you think is Tish. So this one and this one, and we also did another one. Okay, so I hope you can see it. Yeah, so this one here we did like 2 days ago, I think 2 or 3 days ago. And then this one here. So do you think this one is mine or Tish's? Or do you think this one is mine or Tish's? So let's just say the purple flower, you can say the purple flower is whomever's, and the red flower is whomever's. Okay, so let me know in the description box. And this one here, going back to this one here has an earring and red lipstick, and this one over here has no earring and purple lipstick. So tell me what you guys think. Which ones is mine and which ones is Tish? So Butters or Tish. Afro, this one we're going to call the Afro, and the other one the lady in the dress, or I call her, the other one I think is called Goddess. So let me know. So at the end of my vlog, I'll let you know how long I did, and how many calories it says I burned. But it won't be much because I'm just getting started again, and this is just my initial, let me get started. And another thing, guys, I have they have a gym at my job, and I'm going to start incorporating the gym at my job. I work night shift, and so I'm going to start walking or getting on some of their equipment that I don't have here at my home. So over there they have the rower, the rowing machine. They have like the bikes. They have 2 kinds of bikes. They do have the treadmill. So I'm going to do those over there when I'm at work. You know what I mean? So I can get like a good little workout going on. So yeah. What are you doing to lose weight? What are you doing to get healthy? And you know what? Working out is not always a way to get healthy. I mean, it is good, but are you changing some type of eating habits, or what are you doing new now in your life? What are you trying new in your life? All right, and what are you doing to get yourself relaxed? Let me know down in the comments. All right, guys, I will talk to you at the end.